Well, it's rarely that you get a heads up on a pest that's about to inflict your crops. But I saw this morning. He got caught between the hardware cloth and the bird netting. Yeah, it looks like he finally died. He was struggling earlier. Anybody recognize this dude? Now, I might be wrong because he doesn't exactly look like, I should say she. She doesn't exactly look like the pictures online, but I don't know what else it could be. It looks to me very much like it's a hawk moth, and it's the kind of hawk moth that produces the tomato hornworm. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I now know that I need to start looking for itty-bitty green caterpillars on my tomato plants. And though there is a lot of foliage on my tomato plants, it's going to be a lot easier to catch them than other years because I have done a decent job pruning down a lot of the leaves. Anyway, there's a tip for you. If you see a moth that looks like that or even has some stripes on its body, start looking for the tomato hornworms. Get ready to pick them off. Subscribe for more great gardening tips like this, and I'll see you for the next video.